In a shocking turn of events that has sent ripples through the K-pop world, Moon Taeil, better known simply as Taeil, former lead vocalist of SM Entertainment's global boy band NCT, has been sentenced to 3.5 years in prison after pleading guilty to a rape charge. The verdict was delivered on July 10, 2025, by the Seoul Central District Court. Taeil, a founding member of NCT and its subunits such as NCTU and NCT 127 since 2016, once commanded international fame. In June 2024, Taeil and two acquaintances identified only by their family names, Lee and Han, met a Chinese national at a bar in Itaewon, Seoul. After consuming alcohol, the woman became severely intoxicated. Rather than ensuring her safety, the trio transported her via taxi to Lee's residence in Bangbi-dong. There, the court found, they proceeded to sexually assault her while she was incapacitated, an act defined under Korean law as special quasi-rape. Since multiple perpetrators participated without consent, their actions were described by the presiding Judge Lee Hyun-kyung as particularly grave, especially considering the victim's vulnerable state as a foreign tourist. Prosecutors initially demanded 7 years in prison, but the court ultimately sentenced the three men to 3.5 years, noting their status as first-time offenders, admissions of guilt, expressions of remorse including reported diplomatic settlement with the victim, and a formal apology from Taeil. In addition to incarceration, the court mandated that all three must complete 40 hours of sexual violence education, publicly disclose their personal identity details, and refrain from any work involving children or youth for 5 years. They will also be registered as sexual offenders within their local jurisdictions. In late August 2024, SM Entertainment announced Taeil's dismissal from NCT. After criminal allegations surfaced, the company officially terminated his contract. By October 2024, this case follows several high-profile convictions of K-pop idols, including Seungri, Jung Joon-young, and Choi Jong-hoon, highlighting a broader reckoning within the industry. The relatively reduced sentence has provoked widespread public anger, with many decrying the perceived leniency towards celebrity offenders. Supporters of judicial reform argue that this ruling underscores systemic weaknesses in addressing sexual violence, especially when involving high-profile individuals. This case has become a stark reminder of the complex interplay between star power, accountability, and public trust. As Taeil begins his prison term, the K-pop industry faces mounting pressure to restore faith through stricter ethical and legal standards.